So I've made $9,000 in 2025 with remote work, and that was from a $21,000 project, right? I profited $9,000 personally. What is even more important is not even about me. My student Joseph Awudani got a $1,500 job within, I think, 1.5 months of learning from me, and he has some of his screenshots and everything. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what he did to get this result. So it's not just like, hey, I'm showing you what I did. People just like you are also getting results. There's nothing special about those, right? So let's get to the video.
Hey, what's up, people? So, first of all, who am I? Like, what is your business with all of these things? First of all, I tried for 4.5 years to get my first remote job, and I was struggling. I didn't make a single dollar for 4.5 years from SS2 all the way to 200 level. I was trying. First of all, my name is Shegun. If you don't know already, I've tried to make money since SS2. Did everything from affiliate marketing, dropshipping, blogging, forex, MLMs, all of them. I did everything. Nothing worked, bro. You understand? So now I'm now here to make sure people don't go through that same job of wondering what is happening with everybody lying to me, everybody's coming, how these guys making money, and I'm trying everything and nothing's working. I'm here, live nation, to help you guys. You understand? So now about the student I talk about, who is Joseph, right? Who is Joseph Awudani? He's a student that has been following my Instagram, following my YouTube for a while, and he took that step to join my mentorship to learn from me one-on-one, which is what helped me get a free job. It took me 4.5 years, like I said, but struggling, and 10 weeks after that 4.5 years, 10 weeks was ingesting immense though. And I got the time for $650 within 10 weeks. 4.5 years versus 10 weeks, different and better. So he's a student that was in a similar situation to me back then. He was looking for solution, wondering what is why is everything so confusing. He was trying all the methods, nothing was working. So he just started to learn it next time, but he started learning from my own mistakes. Everybody. So what did he learn after joining the academy? I showed him everything from start to finish, right? And I think I showed him a thing that might take you 2 years to learn on your own, but you're going to learn it in 2 weeks, right? How to get this good CV, how to get a huge portfolio website, how to work on projects that are actually amazing, right? How to work on projects that will bring eyeballs to your page. And finally, how to start applying to jobs on websites that people don't really know about. Like using all the latest websites that were very, very secretive. That me, I was getting job from. So he now went and do started applying and he got a $1,500 job. Web design job within like a month. And they paid him $600 for fun. So the work he put, he's not just he's not make money into the he sent, I think, I didn't think I asked him, right, but I'm very sure he sent like 500 or 600 BN, like 600 BN in about a month. So that is a lot of work. A lot of you guys are not ready to put in the work. You want to drive Mambo, but you don't want to do anything, you don't want to work any job that like is rate. In that you're looking for, this is not for you. Just go to another place and then I'll be clicking button and making $2 an hour. That's for you. This is not for you. Get ready to work. This is for you. So now, what I want you guys to do is I want you to take this step, right? Don't just watch people make moves. Don't just watch like I'm recording this on the 5th of September. On the 4th of September, we have 3 people that joined the academy. Do that with that action taker. Don't be doing work time. Don't be somebody that was is UK and wow, this they're 1 year down the line. Everybody is making you're still watching, they're still looking. They're wondering why they can't scam. It's not a scam, but there's one that holding yourself back. Don't hold yourself back. So how can you fix that state if you're ready? Click the link to my TikTok bio, right? My TikTok bio, my YouTube bio, wherever you're watching this, click the link to my bio to get to this page. This page is going to show you everything full in depth about what you want to do. So in this video hasn't explained enough. This training, this page is going to explain everything from start to finish. You can see this. I had 6,000 pounds held in PayPal. So imagine the kind of money I was ready to have 6,000 pounds. So you can see, just read all of this. Then once you have read all of this, because students look at my results, now come here. Once you have come to this page, click on the enroll now button. You can read through all of the pages, right? Yes, showing pages and everything to read from. But let's say finally you're ready. Look at all the modules, right? Look at everything. So let's say you're ready to not take the step. Come over to the next page. It will take you to this page. So all you just need to do is be sure that this is what you want to do. Right? Look at all the modules and everything. So once you have done, now come to join now. Get into the academy. So once you get into the academy, I'm going to send you a welcome email that will welcome you, give you the access to the Telegram group where you and other students like you, plus me, you're going to conversing. If you have any questions, that will ask him. We're going to be there live and direct in the flesh and in the globe. So, like I said, click the link in my TikTok bio to get started. Take that step now. Don't always be watching. You understand? My single that I'm linking is to know I've made $9,000 in 2025. It's my remote job. And that was from a 21K in job, $21,000 job, and a profit of 9K. So you think people are when you're making money in the good, I feel like making money. Are you ready to think that step? That's a great intro episode. I'll see you in the next video. Please repost this video and like the video as well. See you in the next one. Peace.